So you finally got a hot tub, or maybe you just ordered yours, but you have no idea what type of equipment you're gonna use. I wanna share with you 5 pieces of equipment that'll take your hot tub experience to the next level and just make life easier for you. Spoiler alert, like these sweet lights that'll totally change the mood. And stick around to the end where I'll share a bonus accessory that actually ended up being one of our favorites. Coming up. Hey guys, it's Curtis Riley, aka Preach from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give real advice for real life. And trust me, I've made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on ministry, on faith, on online business, and marriage. So check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real how-tos, real reviews, and real DIYs. And we also offer online courses, coaching, and more. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're getting value out of it. And as our free gift to you, we wanted to hook you up with a PDF and mini course, and the choice is yours, whether it's weight loss, playing guitar, or your own DIY projects. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now, let's get into it. First thing you need, number 1, uno, is a mat. You're gonna want to get a hot tub mat. And this is just a carpet, right? Because I can't pull out the hot tub mat that's under my hot tub currently. But this is number 5. We're going to work our way up to number 1. But the first thing you're going to want is a mat. It's going to be something like this. It's not quite as thick. I will have all of these things in the description, or you can just go to therealrileys.com/recommendations. This is where you get your freebies. That's where you can get the recommendations, all sorts of good deals and stuff like that as well. So number 1, you're gonna need a mat. The reason that you want a mat is you're gonna have different types of surfaces. Okay, so remember, it's an inflatable hot tub. This is just for inflatable hot tubs, which are awesome, by the way, and you should get one. But you're gonna have different types of surfaces. I have moved my inflatable hot tub, I wanna say, to 3 houses now. So I've had it in a lot of different places, and I've been on a lot of different surfaces. Maybe it's gonna be on wood, maybe it's gonna be on concrete, or if you don't have any of those options, like if it's on your deck or it's on your back porch, you don't have any of those options, you might have to put it on the grass. Either way, you're gonna want a mat. That mat gives it kind of like a flat and really more of a soft surface. Like you're not going to want to put it on something that's going to pop your hot tub right away. So make sure that you get one of those pads or get one of those mats. Again, go to the realrileys.com/recommendations. You'll see all this stuff and more. And the next thing you're going to want is one of these bad boys. You're going to want one of these pumps right here. So check this out. This is, it's really easy. You know, it comes with, you can plug it into the car. So, I mean, if you ever need to air something up in your car, you could throw this in your car too, and it's actually a good backup. But this works really well. It's got a bunch of different nozzles that you can use here. And you really probably won't need this. I didn't have to air I think I went like the entire first year and never even used this inflatable air pump, you know, so I didn't even have to use it. But this is really helpful. Eventually your inflatable hot tub will go down, and there is a way that you can air it up. The one I use is the SaluSpa. Again, you can check our page and check our YouTube channel for the full review on that and the exact one, and it's on our website as well. But I didn't use it for a full year, but eventually you're going to need to air it up. There's a way that you can air it up using the pump itself. You just have to unhook some things and hook it up. But I find it kind of annoying, not super annoying, but kind of annoying. And one of the easiest things you can do, you just grab this pump. Literally, I take this bad boy outside. If my hot tub, I'm getting ready to get in the hot tub for the day or whatever, or I'm jumping in, it's a little bit low, boom, hook this up like 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, depending on how low it is. And that baby airs up really quick. So if you got an inflatable hot tub, you're going to want one of those bad boys. And again, I didn't even use mine for like the first year, so not a big deal. Hey, can I stop you right there? And will you please like this video and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us so that we can continue making videos just like this. Next thing you're going to use this all the time is a net. So you got to get yourself one of these nets. Listen, I just wanted to get one that was black or gray just because that's my thing. I don't like ugly stuff. So I'm like, I wanted it to look good. So I got one of these. I'll put the link is also in the description. But yeah, this is just like basic. You're just going to want one of these bad boys. You're going to scoop the stuff out that gets on top. Naturally happens. Stuff falls in, you get in, stuff falls off of you. You step on it and you get your feet and everything. But you're going to want one of these bad boys, scoop it out. You use that all the time. That just is super helpful when it comes to your hot tub. Again, if you don't have a hot tub, make sure to check out the link. You'll love it. We love it. And these are the tools that we love. So I want to encourage you to check out our online course called Building Basics. It'll teach you the basic tools that you need and how to use them so that you can build whatever you want. Now, 2 more to go. That was number 3. You got the pad, you got the air pump, you got the net. And then number 2, this is one of my favorites, but these are lights. Okay, so these are just lights that you just untwist, you just throw some batteries in there, and then boom, you turn it on and you got all sorts of different colors that are rocking. And you can use like one of them. I usually use like 2 of them, throw them in the hot tub or whatever. And it's pretty cool, right? And so again, you can go to realreilly's.com/recommendations. You can check that out and you can see those, the link to get your own. But I think they're pretty cool. They work pretty well. They've got a little like rubber seal in there so that they're waterproof. Again, if you go back and watch my YouTube video that I did on our SaluSpa, on our hot tub, our inflatable hot tub, you will see that like a dum-dum, I left my remote to my lights. It comes with lights. The SaluSpa Hollywood comes with lights, but I left my remote outside, got rained on, ruined it. So ended up using these. This just makes for more fun. I mean, that's really all it is. It makes it more fun. If you're getting in the hot tub, especially when it's nighttime, you throw these bad boys in there and it, get some, I don't know about that. You get some music going, right? But you're having fun. And this kind of changes the environment and changes the mood. So check one of these out. If you've got a hot tub, you got an inflatable hot tub, again, go to realreilly's.com/recommendations and you can grab one of those. And they do all sorts of stuff. Like they flash from color to color, or you can choose like, what color. If you're like, hey, I want to stick on one color, it comes with a little remote that you can change that as well. So, and then number 1, and then I've got a little bonus for you as well. So the number 1 thing, if you got a hot tub, you got an inflatable hot tub, make sure to grab one of these guys. I just got this. We're going to do a full video kind of explaining how it works and like a review and unboxing and all that of this soon coming up. But this bad boy, if you got an inflatable hot tub, if you don't, you should get one. You should use our link, use our affiliate link. It'll help us out, help support us, but as well. But get one of these bad boys. You're like, what the heck is this? It almost looks like a chicken or something. I don't know. Chicken with his head cut off. I don't know. A blue chicken. You never seen a blue chicken? Type in the chat if you ever seen a blue chicken. I never seen a blue chicken. But anyways, you got this Grit Gitter, right? This is really cool. I'm going to do a review on this. I'll explain how it works. That's coming up. So make sure you follow our YouTube channel and all of our social media so that you don't miss this. But this bad boy is really cool. So it kind of goes this way, and this is kind of the claw that you have. And you basically just squeeze it, okay? You kind of like slowly squeeze it, and then when you let go, it sucks up the grit. That is one of the most annoying things. If you have a hot tub or if you have an inflatable hot tub, you should have one if you don't. But when you get your hot tub, that's going to be the most annoying thing. Like you just walk out into the hot tub and you're walking across concrete, whatever, you're walking through your yard, you're going to get leaves, you're going to get little pieces of stuff, you're going to get little sand. For whatever reason, we get like stuff off of our roof, and you get those little pebbles and those little pieces, tiny rocks, grit, if you will, at the bottom of your hot tub. And you're like, how do you get it out? You got to use your finger and pinch and get those things out. You can't grab them, right? So get one of these bad boys. It's a Grit Gitter, realreilly's.com/recommendations. You'll see that you can grab one of those as well. But this thing's awesome. Again, YouTube video coming up on it. So make sure to follow our YouTube channel for that. But yeah, you're going to want one of these bad boys. And then here's a bonus. Just saying, man. I love the hot tub. People ask me all the time, what do you think about the hot tub? I love it. You got to get one. Your bonus is the sea turtle. We call this guy Tim Turtle, okay? But you got to get you a Tim Turtle. You got to get one of these. And I will talk about this. I've got a video coming up that'll give you basically the top 5 tools that you'll need to take care of, maintain, or clean your hot tub, especially if you have an inflatable hot tub. And we'll talk about this guy as well. But we've got a video coming up on some fun games that we play with this. believe it or not, like this guy ended up being some of the best entertainment while you're in the hot tub with me and the boys. So now it's time to get real. Comment below and let us know which one of these accessories are you most excited for. And if you have questions, make sure to join one of our online communities where you can ask those questions, you can be encouraged, hang out with like-minded people, and you could maybe even have your question answered in the next live Q&A. Check out some of our other videos like how to get in shape and stay in shape, or if you want to branch off a little bit, check out one of our other channels like what to do if you're thinking about getting divorced. But until next time, keep it real.